Hello everyone! Today I want to share a quite literary monologue inspired by the soft atmosphere of Ray Bradbury's Dandelion Wine. This is my own original text, gentle reflection about summer, nature, and the small moments that remind us we're alive. Let's walk through this calm morning together. The morning begins before the city wakes. The air is cool and light, like a soft breath touching the skin. I walk slowly, hearing only the whisper of the trees and the quiet rhythm of my steps. The world feels new, as if someone washed the sky during the night and left it clean and open for us to find. Leaves move gentle above me, breathing with the wind. I look down at the path, cracked, uneven, full of tiny stories, and I think how many summers walked here before me. Every stone, every fallen leaf, every shadow feel like memory I almost recognize. I pass a quiet bench, still cool from the night. The branches above stretch slowly, as if waking from a long sleep. For a moment, the whole park feels alive, not loud, not bright, just quietly alive. The world does not hurry, and I don't hurry either. I stop and look at the sky, white and pale, with one small cloud floating like a tiny boat. There is something magical about a morning sky, open, forgiving, ready to begin again. The branches above me hold the last small fruits of the season. They look like little lanterns, catching the early light. I breathe in deeply. The air tastes like warm grass and cool stone, a mix of yesterday's sun and today's promise. Sometimes life speaks loudly, but on this morning it speaks softly, like a friend telling a quiet secret. The path turns, leading me between tall trees to a wider view. From here I see the valley, the small roofs, and the slow waking of the town. I stand between two worlds, the quiet world of nature and the world of people, and I think Maybe summer is a bridge between what we remember and what we are learning to notice. I remember being 12 years old, running through tall grass, not thinking about time, not thinking about tomorrow, just living inside the warm, golden now. And suddenly, without planning it, I feel it again. That small spark, the moment when you realize I am alive. Not just passing through the day, but truly alive, awake, present, breathing with the world. The wind touches my face. The trees answer softly. For a few seconds, everything feels connected. The sky, the leaves, my steps, my breath. Maybe this all we need sometimes, a quiet path, a calm sky, and permission to feel alive again. I walk the last road. The autumn colors meet summer light. Red leaves, yellow leaves, small shadows on the ground that look like memories. The day grows brighter, but still gentle, like a candle filling a room. It's easy to forget that every moment we live is a small miracle. We rush, we plan, we worry, and the world continues to whisper, "Slow down, breathe, look." At the entrance of the park, I stop and look back. The trees stand quietly, as if wishing me a good day, and I wish the same to them. Thank you for walking with me today. May your day be gentle, and may you notice at least one small moment that reminds you you are alive. See you next Sunday. Art of Nature by Alexandra.